Hello, it's George with Watchman German Shepherds. We're going to do a little video right now of how to clean a puppy, a new puppy. And what I do is I take just a little drop. Whoa, that was much too much. And you'll see what I do. A little of the detergent in there, right? I put some water, dump it out. I just want the littlest bit of detergent. Too much suds, I dump it out again. So, you might say, well, there's no detergent in there, but there is. So what we're going to do is go in the room here with the puppy. We have Prada, the mom of the puppies. Let's go in and we'll give the puppies a little cleanup. They're a week old. I did a video about that. And now I'm just going to show the how to clean your 1-week-old puppy. Get out of there. Get. See, this is the thing where I just put a little soap because Prada right away tried to drink the water. So you see the water's clean, but once we wipe down a few puppies, so I wet up the rag. I'll show you. I just get a puppy out in the middle. These guys are snugglers. They fuss if you take them away from each other there. So I'm just wiping the puppy with the towel, with the face cloth rather. Yeah, just like kids. I don't want a bath. Yeah. No, yeah, you don't want a bath. So I'll do the same thing. I rinse it off. Again, to me, it's key. You see the water got a little murky there, just from wiping that puppy a little bit. I'll do another one here. I won't show all of them, but so I'm just wiping off the coat. The moms are constantly cleaning them, licking them. You know, when they pee and poop, the pee gets absorbed, a lot of it, into the moving pad. But invariably their coat gets the pee and the poop on it, and the mom licks it up, and that's all gross, I know. But the thing is, we give them a little wipe down, and keep them even cleaner. So you can see each puppy gets a little murkier in there. I'll do one more puppy. It's easy to keep track, of course, because the ones you just wipe down, they're a little wet. So there we got this other guy here. Let's see his response. Pardon me there. Yeah, these guys do not like to be disturbed. What are you doing? You're getting cleaned up. Yeah, so pretty basic, pretty simple. The big thing, as far as my little method, would be the littlest bit of dish soap in that water. The puppies lick each other, and the mom licks them. And so, you've got to get a little in there, but very little. And so, other than that, you can see how murky that water is, just the 3 puppies. I'm going to change that water, and I'll do the other 4. But I just wanted to show in this how to clean a puppy video, how to clean a puppy. And so it's not rocket science, but hopefully it's helping somebody there. I do appreciate you subscribing and liking and sharing. Comments and questions are always welcome. And if If you want to know how to clean a puppy, you can ask Prada too, because she's constantly cleaning them. And that's for sure. So, anyway, Lord bless you today as you trust Him. Until next time, take care of yourself.